In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. The purpose of life is not to be happy, it is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have life and life is what happiness. When you're busy, make other plans. Life is really simple, but we inside on make it complicated. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Life is 10% what happiness to us and 90% how we respond to it. The purpose of your lives is to be happy. Life is either a dream, adventure, or nothing at all. Life is short, and it's up to you to make it sweet. The good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. Life is not about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. Life is a journey that must be traveled, no matter how bad the roads and accommodations. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Life is 10% what happiness to you and 90% how you listen to it. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. Life is too important to be taken seriously. Life is either a great adventure to nothing. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't race them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things follow naturally forward in whatever way they lie. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass but learning to dance in the rain. Life is what happiness when you're busy making other plans.